In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Instagram instance feature in Instagram itself. So let's go to Instagram and let's go ahead to the messages at the very bottom, and you'll see a gray plus sign at the very far right hand side. If people or your followers have posted instance, they will appear here. So go ahead and hit that plus sign. Now, a couple things to know is you can go ahead and hit the flash to enable your flash. You can go ahead and hit those two arrows to switch your camera around. Another thing you can do is choose whether or not you want your close friends or all of your friends to see your instance or to share it with them. What you can also do is go ahead and add captions. So the only thing you have to do is click on the camera here and then go add a caption. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and it's going to appear on the side of your current instance. Let's go ahead and take a photo. So you can go ahead and hit the shutter symbol. If you don't like it, you can quickly hit undo at the very bottom and it will take away that instance, but it does disappear after about 2 or 3 seconds. So just keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and click that instance. If you want to go see your instance, go ahead and hit the album icon at the top right hand corner here, and then you'll be able to find all of your instance here. What you can do if you do want to delete one of your instance, go ahead and click on it, and then go ahead and hit those 3 dots at the top right hand side, and you'll be able to delete it or save it to your camera roll. So keep that in mind if you want to do that. What we can do is go ahead and create a recap, and we could share it to our story. So let's go to the selection tool at the top right hand corner, and we're going to select this one that I just posted here, and let's go ahead and create a recap. What we can do is go ahead with type overlay, and we can edit this type. It's going to say instant recap, and then it's going to give you the current date for that. You can go ahead and add music if you want, just like a normal story, and then you can go ahead and once again add a caption at the bottom left hand corner, or choose between your close friends or all of your followers. Let's go back here and let's go ahead and reload that. Once you're ready to share it to your story, you would go ahead and hit the share icon at the bottom right hand corner and then share a story just like you normally would. But that's pretty much it. In a very quick nutshell, that's how you would go about using your Instagram instance features on Instagram.